Korea, Ryan! Also, Coach ng Korea, Jack! Korea, Richard!
Na pwede daw ipantapat sa Boys Over Flowers.
Wow!
Where's Ryan? You're Ryan?
This is Ryan.
You're Ryan. Okay, I wanna talk to you. Ryan, hindi ka sanay mag-Tagalog. Okay, I'll talk to you in English. Kasi, in an interview, you described your relationship as coming soon. Can you explain that?
Akala ko coming soon, pero mali.
Oh.
Kasi mali.
Oh, ano yung tama? Kung yun ang mali.
Kasi mali.
So, okay. Ulitin na. I get what you mean. Mali yung relationship mo dati. So, ang status ng relationship mo ngayon, coming soon because you're looking forward to the new relationship? Is that what you're saying?
Okay.
Tama, mali? O mali?
Kasi mali.
Mali. Mali talaga.
Sandali.
Sandali. Okay.
Still malayo.
Okay.
Malayo. Kasi I haven't met her yet. I haven't met her yet kasi
Wala pa siya.
my nanay
Yung nanay mo?
didn't send to me money.
Hindi ka binigyan ng...
Tapos I tried to call my tatay.
Okay.
He turned off his cell phone.
He turned off his cell phone.
I think he's very smart.
Okay.
I feel we are going to talk about this when he's inside the house.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that was the most important conversation we had today. I will not forget that. Okay, so Jack, where's Jack? Jack, at the age of 19, si Jack marunong mag-Tagalog. Okay. Nahihiya ka?
Dito ka.
Okay. Jack, sa edad na 19, balita namin, ikaw ang nagmamanage ng sarili mong negosyo. Aba, very good. Paano mo ito nagagawa?
So, first po, kailangan may tiwala sa employee. So, pag may tiwala po sa employees.
Tama.
So, yun po yung most important thing na
Yes.
dapat nasa isip ko. Then, pag may ginagawa po silang mali, tsaka lang po ako yung naging strict. So,
Okay. Wow.
talagang may tiwala po ako sa kanila.
Yon. So, may business-minded ka agad. Richard, do you understand Tagalog? Opo, can I talk to you in Tagalog? Sige, mag-usap tayo ng Tagalog. Kasi balita namin, proud ka raw sa pagiging Korean. Paano mo ngayon ipakikilala ang mga Koreano sa ating mga kapamilya? Sige.
Gusto ko ipakilala, mga Koreano ay una, mabait. Pangalawa, simple lang. Pangatlo, masaya kasama.
Ayun! Tingnan natin kung matutuwa silang makasama kayong tatlo.